Hey folks, Fred here, VE3FAL. Here is part 2 of the Hawkeye oil change, and I've done it in 2 parts only because I do not like to make my videos over 30 minutes long. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. 7-3, take care.
So here we go again. Let's get ourselves our funnel. Okay, we're gonna put the 2 in. We're gonna run it. We're gonna make sure that we don't have any leaks when we do. Okay, and this should be a lot cleaner. Okay, I'm going to put the plug back in. Just opening this one oil up. Okay, going to move. Okay, so we're going to put the plug back in. The plug is clean. Not sure. Plug's not magnetic. Lots of times they're magnetic to pick up any shavings that are in the engine. Okay, so bear with me, guys. We're gonna put the plug back in here. We're done dripping here for now. A little bit still here. Okay, yeah, we got a little bit dripping here. Okay, so put the plug back in. And we'll wipe this off underneath. Get rid of some of that old oil so that we can see what we have here. Because we do have oil dripping from the frame. Yeah. And I got a couple more paper towels, guys. Hang on. Throw our newspaper. Throw it on that floor here. That's what we're gonna do here. Let's roll that paper down. All right. Now we're gonna tighten up the plug. Oops. And again, we don't want to over tighten that. Okay. So losing everything here. All right. So we'll put the first oil in. Sorry if it seems to be taking so long. But, so at least I didn't have to jack it up. Okay. Oil number 1. And it is a synthetic oil. And before I pour the whole second one in, I am going to just start it to fill up the, I'll do a 1.5 liters. And we'll start it up to fill the filter up. All right, there's one. Okay, we'll open up the other one. Okay, so we'll open up the other one. Remove the foil that I got here. Make sure we get it all. Okay, you don't want any of that in the engine, that's for sure. Okay, so like I say, we'll go 1.5. Okay, stop there. Pull that out. Okay. Put the plug back in. And we're going to run this for, you know, a few seconds again. Fill up the filter. Check the filter, make sure we have no leaks. And then what I'll do is when I'm done, I'll wipe everything down underneath. I'll put some paper under there. And we'll see if we have any leaks. Alright, well that sounds better already. I'm just going to grab more paper towel, clean up the old oil. Put a bit of this absorb all down here right now. Clean some of this up off the floor. Floor in the warehouse here in the garage gets a little slippery. So that's my half. This is empty. This is empty. The Polaris oil is a little bit darker, but it's a thicker oil to withstand the heat. Okay. Oops, sorry guys, knocked you over. Knocked you over. Trying to wipe up some of this oil here. Okay. Let's see what we got here. And then, like I say, we're going to it'll take the rest. We're going to put the remainder of that in. Okay. Oh, give me a second here. This is some dirt here. I don't want that in. Figure out a way here to. I should clean that off after. Clean that all off. I don't want dirt in there. That's for sure. Okay. Dump the other half in. I think a bit of dirt in there as long as it goes to the filter and not to the rings. Okay. Five. So that's bad. All right. So we got. All right. We got oil in there. Get that out of there. Yeah, that needs a good cleaning up there. That's for sure. I don't know the best way to do that. Mind you, I guess I could get my compressed air, or my air, put that in there and blow that out of the way. Clean up as much of that as you can. Even a hose will work good in there, I think. Yeah, that should be cleaned up. Maybe I'll blow that out today. All right, so let's start it one more time. Do one more quick check here on the dipstick. See where we're at, and then that'll be a complete oil change. Just a bit of cleaning to do. Then we'll take it for a spin, put the side back on. Yep, we are good. We'll let that settle just for a second. We'll put this back in, do one more check. See where we're at. And there's one project done for the day. If it's nice enough, I might head out on the Navi. Then put the side back on. Take this outside. Take it for a spin. Finish cleaning up in here. Okay, what do we got? Oops. Yeah, we are good, folks. We're just above the hatch mark here, but we're okay. We're still in the safe zone. We're not over full, so we're good. So it took the 2 liters with the new filter, took the two new liters. Everything is clean, much cleaner than it was when we started the oil change. Okay. So pull this out. Then I'm gonna have to dump the old oil into the cans. Like that's gross. That's like I say, it hadn't been changed yet, and I was due for a change. Well overdue for a change. So that's it. So thanks for sticking along with the oil change here on the Polaris Hawkeye, folks. Take care. Stay safe. Have a great weekend. Watch out for the other person. The other person may not be watching out for you. And ride safe, quad safe, hunt safe, whatever it is you might be doing. Take care. 7-3, folks.